In this video, I will show you how to link Supabase to Antigravity so you can manage your data with ease. Start by logging into your Supabase dashboard and selecting the project you wish to connect. Navigate to the project settings and click on the API tab to find your project URL and public anon key. You should keep this tab open because you will need these credentials in just a moment. Now open your Antigravity workspace and locate the Data Sources section in the sidebar. Click the Add New Source button and select Supabase from the list of available integrations. A configuration window will appear where you can paste the URL and the API key you just copied from your dashboard. Once you have pasted the details, accurately click the Connect button to establish the link. Antigravity will then scan your database schema and display your tables. You can now start building your front-end components by dragging and dropping elements that interact directly with your live Supabase data.